day, viewers. I welcome you to my channel. Today we'll be solving GC Waec GC preparatory questions, objective OBJ questions. Now the first question says, if sine theta is equal to k, find tan theta for values ranging from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Values of theta ranging from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. The first thing we do is to draw a right angle triangle like that. This is a question on trigonometric ratios. So you draw a right angle triangle, and we'll call this theta. Sine theta, let's assume this is k over 1. So sine theta is opposite, so this is the opposite. Opposite is k, hypotenuse is 1. So opposite is k, that's k, this k, while the hypotenuse is 1. So let's look for this adjacent. So to get the adjacent, we use Pythagoras theorem. Since it's a right angle triangle, so x squared is equal to k squared minus 1. So x is equal to square root of k squared minus 1. Or we can alternate it. And use 1 minus k squared. We can use x squared is equal to 1 minus k squared. So x is equal to square root of 1 minus k squared. So the question says, find tan theta. So tan theta is opposite over adjacent. Opposite, and the opposite here is k over the adjacent is our value of x, which is this root 1 minus k squared. So our answer is k over 1 minus k squared. That's option C. Option C. And for the second question here, it says simplify. This is a question on laws of indices. 36 raised to the power half is the same as root 36 times 64 raised to the power minus 1 over 3 is the same as 1 over 64 raised to the power 1 over 3 times 5 raised to the power 0. Anything raised to the power 0 is 1. So this becomes root 36 times, this is the same as cube root of 1 over 64 times 1. So this becomes square root of 36 is 6 times cube root of 64 is 4. So this is 1 over 4 times 1. That becomes 6 over 4. That's 3 over 2. That's one whole number, 1 over 2. So option D is our answer here. Number 3, find the 8th term of the AP. The nth term of an AP, the nth term of an AP is given by the formula T n is equal to A plus n minus 1 D, where A is the first term, D is the common difference. Our first term here is minus 3. Our common difference is the second term minus the first term, or third term minus the second term. So our second term here is minus 1 minus the first term is minus 3. So that's minus 1. Minus times minus is plus 3. Hence our common difference is minus 1 plus 3 is 2. Common difference is 2. So plugging the value of our first term and common difference into this expression, we have 8th term is equal to minus 3. That's our A plus 8 minus 1, which is our n. 8 is our n. Multiplied by D, that's 2. So that's minus 3 plus 8 minus 1 is 7. 7 times 2, that's minus 3 plus 14. Minus 3 plus 14 is 11. So option B is our answer here. Number 4, the second and fifth terms of a GP are 6 and 8 and 48 respectively. Find the sum of the first 4 terms. We are not given the first term of the GP, we are not given the common ratio. So we use this formula to do that. Tn is AR raised to the power n minus 1. So this is the nth term of a GP. So the first, let's take the first statement. The second term, that's T2, is A. We are not giving A. R, we are not giving R. Raised to the power 2 minus 1 is equal to, the second term is 6. So that's AR, 2 minus 1 is 1. So we can leave this like this, is equal to 6. We can call this equation 1. Now for the second statement, the fifth term, The fifth term is AR raised to power 5 minus 1. Our n is 5, is 48. That's AR 5 minus 1 is 4. AR raised to power 4 is equal to 48. Let's call this equation 2. So solving equation 1 and 2 simultaneously, what we do is we divide equation 2 by equation 1. So doing that, we have AR raised to power 4 divided by AR is equal to 48 divided by 6. So A cancels out A. So R raised to power 4 divided by R raised to power 1. That's R raised to power 4 minus 1 is equal to 48 divided by 6 is 8. So R raised to power 4 minus 1 is 3 is equal to 8. Our common ratio is cube root of 8. And the cube root of 8 is 2. So common ratio is 2. So to get our first term, we substitute R equal to 2 into equation 1. And when we do that, we have this equation 1 here, AR equal to 6. A times 2 is equal to 6. So A is 6 divided by 2. A is equal to 3. Now we've gotten that. Now the question says find the sum of the first four terms. Our common ratio is positive. R is 2, so we are using this formula. Sn is equal to A, open bracket, R raised to power n minus 1 over R minus 1. Since our common ratio is positive, so sum of the first 4 terms will be, our A is 3 into bracket, common ratio is 2 raised to power 4 minus 1 divided by common ratio is 2 minus 1. So that becomes 3 open bracket, 2 raised to power 4 is 16 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 is 1. That's 3 times 16 minus 1 is 15. So the sum of first 4 terms is 3 times 15, that's 45. So option D is our answer here. Question number 5. A ladder 9 meter long leans against a vertical wall. So let's sketch this. This is a vertical wall. This is the ladder. The ladder leans against this wall. The ladder is 9 meters long. So let's join this. Form a right angle triangle there, making an angle of 64 degrees with the horizontal. This is the horizontal ground. So this is 64 degrees. It says calculate correct 1 dp. How far the foot of the ladder, this is the foot of the ladder, is from the wall. This is the wall. This is the wall. So we are looking for FW. So that will be this adjacent, and we are giving hypotenuse. So adjacent over hypotenuse, that's cos. So cos 64 is equal to FW over 9. Hypotenuse is 9. So when we cross multiply, we have FW is equal to cos 64 times 9. So FW is equal to cos 64 gives us 0.438 times 9. So 0.438 multiplied by 9 gives us 3.942. That's 3.942 meters. So to the nearest whole number, that's 4 meters. So option A is our answer here. Now for question 6, it says point P and Q are respectively 24 meters. Oh, this is south. This is south. 24 meters south and 7 meters east of point R. Calculate PQ in meters. Now the first thing we do is we sketch point R. This is point R. Point R. You know, this is north, this is south, west, east. So point P is 24 meters south. So south, you draw this 24 meters like that. This 24 meters. Then you draw your quadrant. So you call this point P. Then Q is 7 meters east. This north, south, west. This is, so this 7 meters east. So this should be longer than this. So we'll call this point Q. Then we'll join this like this. And this is 7 meters. So we'll join this. Now we have to look for point PQ. So to get point PQ, that's this length here. Now we use Pythagoras theorem. Since this is a right angle triangle, so point PQ becomes PQ square is equal to 24 square. Since it's the hypotenuse side we are looking for, becomes 24 squared plus 7 squared. So PQ square is equal to 24 square is 576 plus 7 square is 49. So 576 plus 49 gives us 625. So PQ squared is equal to 625. So PQ is equal to square root of 625. So PQ is equal to square root of 625, that's 25 meters. That's option C. Then question number 7. If the mean of 3, 5, 8, K, 14 and 17 is 11, what is the value of K? So what we do is we add up all this, divide it by the total number of terms, then we equate it to 11. So our mean is equal to 3 plus 5 plus 8 plus K plus 14 plus 17 divided by the number of terms there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 divided by 6 is equal to 11. So cross multiply this. Let's add all this first. This 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 14 is 30. 30 plus 14 is 47. So that's 47 plus K is equal to 11 times 6. So 47 plus K is equal to 66. So K is 66. 66 minus 47. 66 minus 47 right here gives us 19. So K is equal to 19. Option C is our answer here. And question number 7. It says if number of terms in A is 66, number of terms in B is 5, and number of terms in set A intersection B is 2. Find number of terms in A union B. The formula here is N A union B is equal to number of terms in A plus number of terms in B minus number of terms in A intersection B. So this becomes number of terms in A is 6 plus number of terms in B is 5 minus number of terms of N intersection B is 2. So that's 11. 6 plus 5 is 11. 11 minus 2 is 9. Option C is our answer. Then question number 9. I'll have to collapse this a bit. And okay. Find the value of angle XRY in the figure shown at the right. Let me zoom it out a bit. Find the value of angle XRY. That means this angle. We're looking for this angle now. This angle. Now, as you can see, this line XR is parallel to this line. So if this is 50, this angle here is 50 also. That is angle RXY is equal to 50 degrees. Alternate angle. If this is 97, then this angle, this is a straight line. Sum of angle in a straight line is 180. So angle XYR is equal to 180 minus 97. That's angle on a straight line. Angle on a straight line. 180 minus 97, that's 83 degrees. That's 83. So this angle is 83. So this angle now, angle XRY, that's this angle. So angle XRY becomes, this is a triangle now. This is a triangle. And sum of angles in a triangle is 180. So angle XRY is equal to 180 minus 50. 50 plus 83. That becomes 180 minus 50 plus 83 is 133. So 180 minus 133, that's 47 degrees. So our answer is option A, 47 degrees. 47 degrees. Now for question number 10. Question number 10. Calculate the perimeter of a minor segment of a circle of diameter 28 centimeter. Let's quickly sketch the circle. The circle, the perimeter of a minor segment. This is major segment, minor segment. Then let's do this. So at the center of the circle, this is center of the circle. Now it says it has a diameter of 28. If the diameter is 28, that means the radius is 14 centimeters. 14 centimeters. Then theta is 120. So it subtends an angle of 120 degrees. So it says calculate the perimeter. The perimeter of the minor segment is this line, this chord you can see. This chord plus the length of this chord plus the length of this arc plus the length of this chord. So perimeter of segment, that's a minor segment, is equal to length of arc plus length of chord. Length of arc is given by theta over 360 times 2 pi r time plus the length of chord is given by the formula 2r sine theta over 2. So our theta here is 120. So 120 perimeter is equal to 120 over 360 times 2 times pi is 22 over 7 times the radius. Radius is 14 centimeters plus 2 times the radius is 14 times sine theta is 120 divided by 2. So this gives us 120 times 2 times 22 times 14. That gives us this. Then divided by 360 times 7 is 2520. So that gives us 29.33 plus, then for this 2 times 14 times 120 divided by 2 is 60, and sine 60 is 0.8660. That gives us 24.248. So 24.248 plus 29.33, that gives us 53.578. So perimeter is 53.578. That's perimeter is 53.58 centimeters. Option D is our answer here. Option D. Then finally, question number 11. The diagram at the left, ABC is a cyclic quadrilateral. ABC is 88 degrees and angle DAC is 42 degrees. Calculate ACD. So we are looking for this angle actually. Now this angle is equal to this angle, same segment, that is angle DAC is equal to angle DBC, which is equal to 42 degrees. That's angle in same segment of a circle. Angle in same segment of a circle. Angle in same segment. So if this is 42 degrees and the whole of this angle is 88, that means angle ABD is 88 minus 42. That gives us 46 degrees. So this angle is 46. Now if this angle is 46, remember this is same segment. Now how do you know angles in same segment? They're either M shaped or W shaped. M shaped or W shaped. Look at this. This and this. So this angle is equal to this angle. So angle ACD is equal to 46 degrees. It's angle in same segment. 46 degrees, that's option B. So thank you very much for staying tuned to my channel. I wish you all the best tomorrow as you go and write your exam tomorrow. I wish you all the best. You are coming out with A1 in flying colors, and please subscribe to this channel if you've not done so. And for those that have subscribed already, thank you very much. Thank you very much for supporting me. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.